I will be showing you 5 materials you didn't know existed. Let's get straight into the video. The first material is concrete, which can be used as a wall or anything else. And it is just a sawmill. I recommend using a shabby sawmill because it is so cheap. The second material is cool planks. They look way better than wood. And it's just a vehicle spawner. It's best to use the utility vehicle spawner because it is only $400. It's only the start of the video, and you already learned new things, so make sure to subscribe. The third material is a real material called a countertop.
Bruh.
And you can fill them up with any wood of your choice. So to get the blueprint of the countertop, go in fancy furnishings. And here you can find the countertop blueprint. The fourth very cool material is paintings. With those you can make decorations, boxes, and of course walls. And don't use the painting itself, use the back of it. To get these paintings, go on the ship. Buy a ticket. And wait for the ship to arrive. Then go in the maze hole. Now go to the painting store using this map. Here you can buy different paintings. The fifth material is a brown thing with black squares. It may seem weird, but it can be used as a wall material. And it's a bed. You can buy it in fancy furnishings. Good materials are often a great decoration for your base, but to see other decorations, watch this video.